Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into Manjaro OS, a Linux distribution that's been getting a lot of attention for its speed and user-friendliness. If you're curious whether it's worth switching from Windows or another Linux distro, stick around. What it is. Manjaro is an Arch-based Linux operating system that aims to provide a powerful yet beginner-friendly experience. Unlike standard Arch Linux, which can be tricky to set up, Manjaro comes pre-configured with a graphical installer, essential drivers, and desktop environments ready to go. How it works. After downloading and installing Manjaro, you can choose between desktop environments like XFCE, KDE Plasma, or GNOME. The OS features a rolling release model, meaning your system and software stay up to date without major upgrades. It includes a package manager for installing applications easily, and hardware support is generally excellent right out of the box. Who it's for. Manjaro is great for both newcomers who want a polished Linux experience and experienced users who enjoy Arch-based systems without spending hours on manual setup. What people are saying. Users love Manjaro for its speed, stability, and easy installation process. However, some note that occasional updates can break software or drivers, which is common with rolling release distributions. Pros. Free and open source. Easy installation and beginner-friendly. Rolling updates keep software current. Multiple desktop environments to choose from. Cons. Rolling releases may occasionally cause update-related issues. Some software may require manual tweaks. Recommendation. So now here's my recommendation. If you want a fast, customizable, and beginner-friendly Linux experience, Manjaro is a solid choice. Just be ready to handle occasional update quirks. That's it for this Manjaro OS review. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews.